What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to a new spot that I haven't been to in a couple years. So we're gonna get up in the creek. It's one of our tributaries that feeds off into the Ohio. So we're gonna see what we can do today, and stick with me, stay tuned. All right, guys, we made it to our destination. We're here at Indian Creek, one of our tributaries to the Ohio River, and in front of me looks very promising. Creek don't look too bad. We're gonna go downstream. We're locked and fully loaded. I don't know if we're gonna use the graph today since it's so shallow, but we're gonna get after them. So I'm not gonna talk so much, so let's jump right into it. On the medium light rod. Medium light rod, we got him. We got him, there he goes. There he goes, guys. There he goes. We got him. We got him. We got him, get in the boat. Oh my God, this is a hog. He's pulling the kayak. Oh my God. Look at that beautiful spotted bass. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Beautiful spotted bass, baby. Look at that, you guys. On a bed, I sight fished that fish. Sight fished him. On a bed. Oh my God, you guys. That was wicked. Let's go. Look at the size of that beautiful spotted bass. I just, on the other side of this stump over here, I've seen probably about a 5-pound bowfin. Came right up. Oh, there he goes. Came right up to the kayak and just opened his mouth like that. That was wild. Let's get the proper release on that guy. Oh, actually, let's set him over here. Thanks for playing, bud. See ya. That was awesome. Oh, that was awesome, you guys. This is just wild. I'm seeing all kinds of life in here. Bowfin, smallmouth, spotted bass, flathead catfish. It's just nuts. And I'm not even that far from the launch. This is just crazy. That's the way to start off the video right there. That was wild. Oh, let's get another one. Here, she sees it. This one's being stubborn. It's about a 3.5, 4. Little guy's stubborn. But we're gonna get him out of there. I think he's bedding right now. That first one we caught was pretty massive. Oh, he's right there too. Not what we're looking for, but oh, this guy came up and hit my crankbait. I'm gonna go ahead and just shake him off. Let's see if we can pull him in here. Oh, come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. Come here. All right, all right, all right. Simmer down. Simmer down. Simmer down. Let's see if we can get him. Oof. There you go, bud. There he goes. He wanted that old bandit. Little micro bandit. Not what we were targeting, but those drum are in here too. Along with everything else, and the smallmouth and gar and bass and... Oh no. Oh no, that is not good. Not good. Giving away lures now on the tree. Let's go get that one back. Way. I messed up a cast and cast it into that hairy brush pile over there, and this fish hit it. Not a big one, but he's a largemouth. On the Ned. On the Ned. Oh, there goes my rod. On the old Ned boy. Little guy. But yeah, I accidentally skipped into that brush pile over there, and this little guy came and hit it, even though I messed up my cast, which I thought was hilarious. Anyways, we're gonna let him go. See you later, buddy. On the old ultralight St. Croix. Well, I shouldn't say ultralight, I meant medium light, but you know, perfect little finesse setup. So we're gonna get back in here and see if I can get a big one out of this brush pile. So stick with me, stay tuned. This will probably be the longest haul I've ever done in a kayak. I don't know how many miles I've gone, but it is pretty, I'll say that. Very pretty. It gets shallow in some areas. I had to turn back because I was scraping a little bit on the kayak, so I went ahead and went back. So I'm gonna make my way back down to the bridge and see what we can do with the time we got left. So let's see what happens. Well guys, that's going to conclude today's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed today's trip, and I will see you guys on the next one. So hit that like, share, subscribe button, and get at me in the comments, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.